Good morning to all. Today we are going to study the 11th chapter of the grammar, the correct uses of conjunction. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Let us go to the class. Take the page number 71, the correct uses of conjunction. Rules about uses of conjunction. Conjunction are used to join words or a part of sentence. Here we shall study the use of some important conjunctions. If, that, when, scarcely, both, and, or, until, rather, not only, no longer, etc. Here they given some lots of words. Unless means if not. We never use not with unless. We can use not with if when the sense of demand it. If you do not work hard, you will fail. If you work hard, you can get good marks. Until till means up to the time when. Both these words denote some point of time. Until you pay your fees, you can't sit in the class. He won't go till until you give him his money. I shall wait here for you till or until you come back. So long as while during the time when. These words denote a period of time. While there is life, there is a hope. As long as she was here, she was quite happy. You have no fear so long as you work honestly. Page number 73. No sooner hardly and sarcastically. No sooner is always followed by than. Sarcastically hardly is always followed by when. For the purpose of emphasis, no sooner hardly sarcastically can be placed. First in the sentence or a clause, then he inverted, that is interrogative from the verb is used. Example, movie had hardly started when the light went off. Hardly had the movie started when the light went off. Because, so that. Because is used to express a clause or reason. So that is used to express some aim or purpose. Example, he failed because he did not work hard. He worked hard so that he could good marks. Study the following sentence carefully. Men work because they may earn living. Men work so that they earn early. So here the second sentence is right. Since means from that time to time refer. As a conjunction, since always take the past form of a verb after it, but never done before it. 2 months passed since he has come here. 2 months have passed since he came here. Second one is right. Second sentence is right. Before, if, until, unless, while, when, etc. are called temporal conjunction. That is the conjunction of time. They are never followed by verb in the future tense. That is never used before interrogative link in indirect narration. He asked if Manu had passed. He asked if Manu had passed. I wish to know that when he will come. I wish to know when he will come. Here, both the sentence, second one is right. List is always followed by auxiliary should. He worked hard lest he may fail. He worked hard lest he should fail. So here second sentence is right. No other and rather is always used in the combination with than. No other than he broke the window. I would rather die than beg for money. When a sentence begins with a narrative clause, its negative influences spread over whole sentence. Therefore, such a phrase must never be followed by nor. They can have or after them. However, neither is always used by nor. I have never written to her nor spoke to her. I have never written to her or nor spoke to her. The first one is right. Some conjunctions go in pair, either or, neither nor, but and not only, but also.